The 2026 AI Wealth Map. 15 AI tools that will make you rich. The ultimate guide. Stop wasting your precious time on AI tools that don't pay. I'm Lady Nomolos, and welcome to your 2026 AI Wealth Map. In this ultimate guide, we're not just scratching the surface. We're diving deep into 15 game-changing AI tools that are designed to do one thing: make you rich. From passive income apps you set and forget, to high-ticket service tools that let you sell properties you don't even own. This is your complete roadmap to automating your income. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have the full AI wealth stack to build your own $10,000 a month empire. Let's get started. Chapter 1. The Content Machines, Viral Growth. First, let's unlock the power of viral content. If you're not leveraging AI to create and distribute content, you're leaving money on the table. Captions.ai. This is how you get those viral, dynamic subtitles that instantly grab attention. No more manual captioning. Captions.ai does it in seconds, making your videos unstoppable. OpusClip. Tired of hours of editing? OpusClip takes your long videos and automatically cuts them into the most engaging viral short clips, ready for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. InVideo. Want full videos without filming? InVideo transforms text into complete video narratives, perfect for explainer videos or faceless channels. Synthesia. Need a professional spokesperson without the camera crew? Synthesia generates hyper-realistic AI avatars that present your content flawlessly. Pictory. Another incredible tool for turning articles or scripts into compelling videos with stock footage, music, and voiceovers. Descript. And for editing any audio or video like a document, Descript is a game changer. AI takes out filler words, automatically transcribes, and makes professional edits a breeze. These tools combined turn you into a content powerhouse, generating leads and views around the clock. If you're finding value in these tools, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're building the future of AI wealth together. Chapter 2. Passive Income, Set and Forget. Now, let's talk about true freedom. Passive income. These AI tools help you build streams of revenue that don't demand your constant attention. Kittl. For print on demand, Kittl lets you generate professional, trending graphics with AI, no design skills needed. Placeit. Turn those designs into stunning, realistic product mock-ups instantly with Placeit, so your store always looks top tier. Printful. And Printful is your silent partner, handling all the printing, shipping, and fulfillment worldwide. You just focus on design and sales. Nielsen Computer and Mobile. Want to get paid for just being online? Nielsen IQ's app pays you for simply running it in the background, collecting anonymous data. SavvyConnect. Similar to Nielsen, SavvyConnect rewards you for your normal internet browsing, turning your data into dollars. Honeygain, the ultimate passive income app. Honeygain shares your unused internet bandwidth with AI researchers, earning you cash or crypto without lifting a finger. Imagine earning money while you binge-watch Netflix. That's the power of this passive stack. If passive income sounds like your jam, smash that like button and share this video with a friend who needs to hear this. Chapter 3. High-ticket services, real estate, and beyond. Finally, let's explore the highest RPM opportunities. High-ticket services. You don't need a license or a huge upfront investment to profit from these AI-powered fields. Virtual Staging AI. This tool lets you transform empty, dull rooms into beautifully furnished spaces in seconds. Sell the vision, not just the square footage, and charge premium rates for virtual staging services. Rendair AI. For fixer-uppers, Rendair AI instantly visualizes renovations, allowing you to showcase a property's hidden potential before any demolition begins. Spacely AI. And Spacely AI is a game-changer for architectural visualization. Turn simple floor plans into stunning, photorealistic 3D renders that clients pay top dollar for. With these tools, you can launch a virtual real estate staging agency or offer architectural visualization services from anywhere in the world. Secret bonus tool, Jasper, the ultimate content multiplier. You made it this far, so here as a secret bonus tool that ties everything together and supercharges your content creation across all these ventures. Jasper AI. While many AI writers exist, Jasper stands out for its deep understanding of marketing copy and its ability to generate long-form content like full blog posts, video scripts, and even entire books in minutes. Whether you're writing product descriptions for your print-on-demand store, ad copy for your virtual staging services, or scripts for your viral YouTube shorts, Jasper is your ultimate content multiplier. It's the brain behind the operation, ensuring everything you put out is optimized, engaging, and professional. Think of it as your personal AI writing team, ready to churn out high-quality content 24/7. Your $10,000 per month AI empire. There you have it. 15 AI tools that are already making people rich in 2026. The key isn't just knowing these tools, it's knowing how to stack them for maximum impact. Imagine combining viral content creation with passive print on demand and then leveraging AI for high-ticket real estate services. That's how you build a diversified, automated 10,000 a month empire. The future of wealth is AI, and the best time to start building is now. Don't get left behind. All the links to these powerful AI tools, plus my exclusive AI Wealth Stack Guide, are in the description below. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming deep dives into the AI economy. Start building your future today.